If you want your audio to sound deeper, richer, and way more powerful, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to bass boost in CapCut. This is a super easy trick whether you're editing a short, a reel, a YouTube video, or just trying to make your voice sound fuller and more cinematic. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import the video or audio clip you want to work with. You can do this by dragging your file into the project or by using the import button, depending on how you normally edit. Once your clip is loaded, place it onto the timeline so you can start making changes. This is important because CapCut needs the clip on the timeline before you can access the audio effects. Now, click directly on the audio track. Make sure the audio is highlighted because if the clip isn't selected, the audio tools won't show the correct options. Once it's selected, look toward the top right editing panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the sound controls for the clip you're working on. Next, click on the Audio tab. Inside that menu, you should see an option called Voice Changer. Go ahead and select that. CapCut uses the Voice Changer section to apply different sound styles and filters, and this is where the bass boosting effect is usually found. If you're editing a voiceover or spoken audio, this tool can make it sound thicker and more dramatic. If you're working with music, it can help give the low end more presence. After that, look for the voice filters section. Here, you'll want to choose either deep or bass boost, depending on which option CapCut shows in your version. Deep is great if you want a lower, fuller voice, while bass boost is better if you want to push the low frequencies and create a heavier sound. Select the one that matches the effect you want. Once you've chosen your filter, don't stop there. Use the strength slider or the pitch control to fine-tune the result. If the effect is too subtle, increase the strength a little. If it sounds too exaggerated or unnatural, bring it down until it feels balanced. You can also adjust the pitch slightly to make the bass feel more natural and less robotic. The best approach is to listen, tweak, and compare until it sounds exactly the way you want. Take a moment to play the clip back and hear the difference. If the audio now has more depth and weight, then you've done it right. If it sounds too distorted, just lower the settings a bit and test again. Small adjustments can make a huge difference, so don't be afraid to experiment until the bass feels clean and powerful. And that's all it takes to bass boost in CapCut. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great way to make your audio stand out more in your edits. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.